Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the bartending stage, the CR&B show, Mixology and Flair stage. We're starting off with Mixology. We have 6 fabulous bartenders, some from other places around the world, all of them joining us here to make a cocktail. These are your mixologists today. We have $3,000 going to be distributed amongst these men somehow, some way. We'll see who comes in first, all right? So, gentlemen, master of finest call and real ingredients. They have to be in the cocktail. Also, each of the 3 groups, we'll have 3 groups of 3. We'll be using one of these 3 spirits. Hidden Temple Gin. All right, this is Beanball Bourbon and Rose Genever. I'm gonna count them down. I need you to say go after I say 1. We ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! And we're off. All right, third place today, ladies and gentlemen, $500 for third place. $500 going out for 132 points. $500 to Alex. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Alex. Second place and first place, 1 point separating the two. Of course, there was only 1 point from third to second as well. In second place today, ladies and gentlemen, for $800 cash, please put your hands together all the way from Poland, Karol Wojtła. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, that brings it all the way down to first place, $1,500. Please put your hands together for Barry. Congratulations, Barry. Fantastic job, guys.